this video, we'll compare Cyclr and n8n in terms of data orchestration and low-code workflow builder. In the first part, we'll explore the basic interfaces and core operations of both platforms by creating a simple integration, scheduling a job to extract company and contact data from HubSpot and load it into Google Sheets. This will highlight the usability and user experience of each system. In the second part, we'll look at these platforms from a different perspective, exploring their own approaches to building RAG-style knowledge agents and demonstrating how they support the latest trends in AI-driven automation workflows. Let's start the first part. Starting with the Cyclr low-code tool, you can easily drag and drop a trigger method from the pre-built HubSpot connector onto the canvas. Cyclr offers a variety of trigger options, such as list new companies, list updated companies, and list all companies to suit different integration scenarios. If you need a specific trigger that isn't available, you can also request the Cyclr team to extend or customize a method for your use case. Next, you can test each step individually by loading live data from the connected application. After that, add the search contacts method and perform field mapping by looking up the associated company ID from the contact. Set the operator to equal, EQ, and match the value with the company ID retrieved from the previous step. Finally, add the pre-built Google Sheets, append rows method, choose your spreadsheet ID and sheet name, then complete the data mapping by selecting the appropriate values from the drop-down list. Once everything is set up, you can either run the workflow manually for testing or schedule it to run automatically at regular intervals such as daily and hourly. You can also verify the integrated data by reviewing the step data within the workflow. Let's build the same process using the n8n platform. Start by selecting a schedule trigger as your workflow's starting point. Then choose HubSpot in the Action in app and add the action Get Many Companies to the canvas. You can easily test this step by clicking Execute Node, which will load data from HubSpot. The output can be viewed in both table and JSON formats, allowing you to verify the results quickly. Next, add another action, Get a Company, and drag and drop the company ID from the previous step to do the data mapping. Then, add the Search Contacts action and apply the same filters used in the Cyclr setup to match contacts with their associated companies. Finally, add the Google Sheets action, append or update a row to export the data. Select your target document and sheet name, then map the data fields by simply dragging and dropping values from the previous steps. Once everything is configured, click Execute Workflow to test it and confirm that the automation runs smoothly. In conclusion, when it comes to ease of use, both Cyclr and n8n make it easy to build integration workflows with just a few steps and minimal configuration. Both platforms offer form-based mapping tables and automatically handle data looping, eliminating the need for additional coding. Users can also test API calls at each step to easily verify the data. Both workflow template can support for multiple trigger types, such as webhooks and schedules. The n8n platform offers an innovative interface, featuring a table view for step testing and visual indicators that display the number of processed items along each transition, making workflow monitoring more intuitive. However, locating the mapping fields can be challenging, as n8n presents all data fields in JSON format. It is suitable for the developer, who is familiar very much with the structure of the API endpoint. In contrast, Cyclr offers a clearer approach by displaying only the necessary mapping fields for each specific use case. This design is especially beneficial for embedded models, as it allows the mapping fields to adapt dynamically based on the connector's configuration, making the setup process more efficient for normal users. In the second part of this video, we'll explore how n8n and Cyclr integrate with their AI connectors to create various AI agents and AI-driven automation workflows, a trend that has become especially popular this year. In n8n, you can easily access and copy a wide range of ready-made automation templates from the official website. For this example, we'll use a knowledge agent template that connects to a vector database to enable question answering functionality. Within the pre-built AI agent tool, you'll find components that integrate the LLM model, memory, and AI tools. It's simple to choose your preferred model and customize it by adding your own prompts in a single package. Using the pre-built when chat message received trigger, you can quickly test and run your AI agent before deploying it to communication platforms such as Slack or Microsoft Teams. Overall, n8n makes it extremely easy to deploy your first AI agent in a short amount of time, offering a powerful and competitive solution in today's market. Looking at the Cyclr platform, you can also build similar integration templates starting from a blank canvas and using a wide range of AI connectors. By combining connectors of Slack, Pinecone, and OpenAI, you can easily create a comparable knowledge agent. All configuration elements, such as prompts, AI model selection, and Pinecone settings, including index selection and record return limits, can be adjusted directly within the mapping view. If you'd like a step-by-step walkthrough, refer to our previous episode, Build an Integrated RAG Knowledge Agent with Pinecone, available on our YouTube channel. The link is provided in the video description below. In conclusion, both n8n and Cyclr are powerful platforms for building AI-driven automation workflows, but they take different approaches. In n8n, you can get started quickly using predefined templates and pre-built AI tools. In Cyclr, developers can take advantage of advanced AI connectors and low-code workflow tools to design customized workflows with greater flexibility. I hope you could get some quick comparison in the aspect of orchestration layer. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.